This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the exact fault, don't guess. Inspect the whole cable for exposed wires, kinks, or frays. Once located, mark it. Now prepare tools: a small soldering iron, thin-stranded wire, heat shrink tubing, flux, and a multimeter to confirm continuity. Make sure to turn the headset off and remove any detachable modules or foam. While you lay out parts, strip about 3–4 mm of insulation on each side so you can see sleeve, ring, and tip conductors clearly before moving to the next step. Once stripped, identify wires: left, right, ground, and mic if present. Use color codes or continuity checks. Tin each exposed conductor lightly. This ensures a reliable bond and prevents fraying during the splice. Then align corresponding wires and solder quickly, avoiding overheating the insulation. Slide individual heat shrink over each joint before final soldering, then apply and shrink to insulate. After all conductors are joined, add a larger heat shrink over the full splice for strain relief. Finally, use the multimeter to confirm. You finish by reassembling any removed covers or foam and restoring the headset to normal configuration. Plug in and run an audio test. Play stereo content and speak into the mic to verify both directions and volume balance. Make sure the repaired area has strain relief. Use a zip tie or flexible sleeve so future movement won't stress the splice. If you hear crackling or dropouts, unplug and recheck continuity and each solder joint for cold connections. Reflow any suspicious joints and retest until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.